Learn how to perform a double seal replacement on a John Blue centrifugal pump. You can reference your specific centrifugal pump manual at johnblue.com. For this demonstration, we're using pump model SP3350BS. However, the same procedure can be applied to all John Blue centrifugal cast iron pumps. Tools and materials required: 9/16" wrench, 3/4" wrench, flathead screwdriver, rubber mallet, 50/50 antifreeze, water-based lubricant or O-ring lubricant, double seal, 2 new rubber gaskets. Let's begin. Step 1. Empty the remaining antifreeze from the reservoir. Locate drain plug. Loosen with a 3/8 inch extension. Tilt pump and dispose of any remaining antifreeze into an appropriate container. Step 2. Remove pump adapter to gain access to seal. Place pump so that the shaft is facing up. Remove the shaft clamp and the 4 nuts on the adapter. Once all 4 nuts are removed, lightly jar the adapter loose with the rubber mallet. Remove the adapter from the reservoir. Step 3. Remove old seal and stationary seats. Slide half of the seal along with spring off the shaft. Slide the other half of the seal off the shaft. Remove the reservoir from the pump. The stationary seats are shown in both the adapter and reservoir. Wedge under the seat with a flathead screwdriver. Remove the other seat from the adapter. Step 4. Install new seal and stationary seats. Clean the bore to prep the lubricant. Wedge under the seat with a flathead screwdriver or wrench. As shown, place the new seats into the bores. Carefully place the reservoir onto the pump without cracking the seat face. Place new rubber gasket on reservoir if used gasket is damaged. Prep the shaft with lubricant before installing the new seal. Slide half of the seal down to the seat face. Continue to slide other half and spring onto the shaft. Compress seal several times to confirm that it slides easily on shaft. Re-lubricate if necessary. Step 5. Place adapter back on pump and secure. Place adapter on top of the reservoir. Make sure orientation is correct as shown. Place washers and nuts on studs. Tighten in a cross pattern. Step 6. Refill reservoir with 50/50 antifreeze. Pour in 50/50 antifreeze where drain plug was removed. Fill reservoir until full. Reinstall drain plug. It's important to tighten with hand tools as too much torque could cause damage. If you have any questions regarding the centrifugal pump double seal replacement or any other John Blue support questions, please contact our knowledgeable and friendly support team at 1-800-253-2583.